Hello, welcome to this next module 2. We're in chapter 3 this week, and I just want to do a video. I'm going to try to keep it as short as I can. Just wanted to kind of give you a head start on this. So I have opened the textbook for chapter 3, and I think what you might have seen last week is that in order to do a good job with this, with the homework, you really need to follow through the chapter. So if you look into the textbook, you'll notice how it walks you through and gives you steps to do. And maybe you're trying to, I'm not saying you are, but maybe you're thinking, hey, I can just kind of go straight to the homework. But what I would really kind of suggest you do is to walk your way through this stuff, because everything they do in these chapters, they recreate on the homework that's due, on Wednesday, and then again you have the case that's due on Friday, and then the case that's due on Sunday. Each of those, it's almost like you're doing the same thing over and over for at least for most of these assignments. So that being said, you can see how I ask you to go through all these steps. I would really do that. So you can go to your data set and get chapter 3-01 for your data set. So I'm looking at the data set here. I'm not going to do everything, but if you follow the directions from the assignment, right, it tells you exactly what to do. Click the income statement tab, right click column C, click insert. It kind of tells you everything you do. So if we go back to our problem, you can kind of go through that. What they want us to do here is create vertical analysis here. So by vertical analysis, vertical means up and down versus horizontal, which means side to side. So they want us to basically do a percentage, and again they walk you through each of these steps. Divide every column by sales revenue. So this would be, and they want a percentage, so this would be 100% because we're dividing sales by sales. Now if you just drag this down, it's not going to work, right? What you need to do is you need to create an absolute reference so that everything is divided by the sales revenue. So if you now you save that, you drag that down, you can see how all of this stuff is going to have a percentage, and then they want you to do the same thing for 2019. However, this needs to be changed to D, so just make that change there to D. And again, they walk you through this in the textbook. I'm just kind of giving you a walk through the textbook too, so that you can recreate this for your homework. They want you to do a pie chart, right? So then it tells you what to do. It says highlight. This is the data you want to do a pie chart for. If you go to insert tab, then you click on, what it tells you what kind of pie chart they want you to do. You already have your pie chart set up. It's that easy. Although this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thing isn't too helpful. So if you right click on the chart, you can learn how to kind of manipulate this. Instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can edit this and select the data range. And I'm not showing you anything that they're not showing you to already do in the textbook. They're going to walk you through each of these steps. So make sure you kind of go through this, walk through the textbook, and then when it's time to do the homework, you're going to find it's going to be really a recreation of what you've already done. You're going to find it's going to be much easier. If you just kind of go and try to do the assignments without carefully going through the text itself, it's probably going to be much more confusing. So go ahead and I would start on this as soon as possible. This class has a lot of different assignments that's spread throughout the week. And have a nice week.